Hey everyone, Robbie here with my quick Rite Aid haul for the week of September 19th to the 25th of 2021. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm trying to get this video out as quick as possible. I did do 5 separate transactions. I'm just showing 2 of them right now. And I'll show you like a complete haul maybe tomorrow of all the different cards that I've done. The reason is what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to max out all of the monthly deals that are like remaining and stuff. So I do have some great deals. I know some people, I'm gonna put out a disclaimer that some people won't be able to do the same thing as me, like use 4 of the like in-app coupons per transaction. This store was allowing me to do that, so I did that. And the bar soap is on a different card. So I did the 4 Irish Spring and then all this in one, and then the 2 Irish Spring and all this in one transaction. Okay, this one's separate and this one's separate. Okay, so I have a really hot deal. I really want to share this right now because I know some of the stores are gonna run out. I have these Highlands Pain Relief, the 100 tablets, okay, and then the Migraine Relief 100 tablets. This is such a hot deal, guys. It is buy 2 and get $10 in bonus cash back. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and also part of a buy 25 and get $5 in bonus cash. Okay, so let's put it all together. It's $12.99 regularly, so buy 1 get 1 free. Both of these you get for $12.99. At some other stores it's probably $12.49. Check your store. My store is a little bit more expensive, so this worked out for me just really good. And then this one is also $12.99 at my store, and you know, it's buy 1 get 1 free. So basically, if you count this, it's $25.98, right? $12.99 plus $12.99 is $25.98. Then you get back $10 for buying 2, $10 for buying 2. That's already $20 back, plus the $5 for spending $25, right? You spend $25.98 in my store. That means you're gonna get this only for 98 cents for all 4 of these, guys. Oh my god, it's crazy awesome. Okay, so this is a great $25 chunk toward the $50 purchase, right? So what I decided, I didn't really want to do this body wash thing, but this is what the store had. I did have the manufacturer coupons at the time of making the video for the body washes, but I'll go and maybe get a post coupon or something like that for these coupons, and I'll get like $4 back. But anyway, this Irish Spring is a double dip. The body washes only are double dip, guys. Only body wash and select one. The charcoal one is not included. I had to reiterate that and yell because no one listens to me, and then they go and ask me ridiculous questions when I said it in my video. I'm sorry to be that way. It's just, you guys know what the things are going on in my life right now. I need to like explain it and go. All right, so loud and clear, these body washes are double dipping. The 5-in-1, the deep action scrub, the moisture blast, and I think the aloe one and the original one as well. Double check the tags in your store that they're double dipping. The charcoal one is definitely not. I did not see a tag there for that. Okay, that I can confirm. Unless someone else confirms that, that's great, but right now I don't see a tag on that, and I don't see any indication of it possibly double dipping. So you take your own risk if you want. But anyway, this, you guys know, okay, I have the ad here anyway. So it is $3.99 on sale. You have a $2 in-app coupon, makes it $1.99, and there's also a $1 coupon for the body washes, as also the bar soap in the same insert that came this week. I didn't get to use it, so I don't know if it scans, but I know the bar soap did not scan. I'm just letting you know that I had the bar soap coupon. All right, so anyway, if you count, because this is buy 2 get 2, I'm still able to they let me use 2 coupons at least, but this store actually let me use 4, so that's great. But I was able to use 2 anyway for the other one. Okay, so let's count. $7.98 minus $4 off for the in-app coupon, right? 2 and 2. So what is that? $3.98. $3.98 minus 2 $1 off manufacturer coupons. That'll make it $1.98, and then you get $2 bonus cash back when you buy 2. All right, that's the weekly deal, and then you also get $2 back when you buy 2 monthly promotion that started back on what is it, September 12th to November 6th. Okay, this is the 2-month deal, so be careful if you once you max out your limit, and don't come crying to me that I maxed out the limit and then when I'm trying to get it a few weeks later, sorry. But I'm sorry to say that the monthly deal is a limit of 4. That's what I remember. But so that's, I already used 2 of the monthly deals and I maxed out the weekly deal already for this card. Can't do any more than that, but it's okay. I still have 2 more on this card that I can do another time, maybe in a few weeks. You know, this deal always comes around. All right, so this is a 25. This one was 4, 8, 12, 16. That's 16 plus 26 is what, 42? $42. I added these Duracell because I did not get the Duracell on my card. I still have 1 more limit remaining. And it's only a limit of 2 for the monthly deal. Buy 2, get $5 for the Duracell, these specialty batteries, and certain other specialty batteries. Okay, this is buy 2 get 5. Then my gold discount, the regular price is $4.49. The gold discount is $3.59. So $3.59, that's like $7. Okay, let's count $7. So what are we at? 49. So I added this rose hip. All right, so I can get a little bit over. And this is 40% off this week, so this one is part of the deal. So $3.59, and you have a $3 bonus cash when you buy 1, limit of 4. This is the monthly deal as well. Okay guys, so don't get it, make sure you, if you have the deals, max it out, whatever you want to do. So this one, what are we at? Guys, I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna add 3 to this. So 49 plus 3, $52, right? Okay, $52. I used the 10 off of 50 for this deal, so that's $42. And then we also, I used $2. So what is that now? 40, 38, 36, 34. Okay, so $34 in-app coupons for that. Since I didn't have manufacturer coupons, I had to pay $34, but I got back 10 and 10, so that's 20. So that's now $14. 14 minus $5 for doing this deal, so that's 9. 9 minus $5 for doing this deal, that's 4. And then another $3 back for this. So what is that now? $1. $1, and I got back 2 and 2, right? And then 2 and 2. So that's like a $7 money maker, even without the manufacturer coupon for the Irish Spring, right? So you get back 2 and 2. Yeah, you're basically getting back $4 for the body washes and $4 for that, monthly and weekly. So yeah, great. That's a $7 money maker for this transaction, even without manufacturer coupons. Still great, even if I don't get the post coupon, is fine. Now for this transaction, what I just did, this card I didn't get to do the batteries deal. So this one, you guys know, it's $3.99. Regular price is $4.99, right? So $3.99, $3.99. Okay, and then yeah. And then the Duracell is $3.59, $3.59, right? So 4, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus, I'm gonna count 26, right? So what is that? 41. 41 plus 4 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. And then I added this one because the stupid coupon beeped, and plus I was even lacking a few cents toward the $50 purchase, so I added this. So what do we have? 49 plus 3, $52. Okay, and since they had to manually enter the coupon for these bar soaps, unfortunately I was still at $52 when the coupon beeped. So what he did is he manually entered the coupon $1, manually entered the coupon $1. Now I'm at $50, right? So I was still able to use the 10 off 50 with no problem, because the manually manually enter coupons count against you guys. People don't listen to me at this point, and then they ask, oh well, it didn't scan, I didn't have enough, and I had to add stuff. Well, obviously, because if I said in my video like a few months ago, I said it back in February, that I even made a video on how to use these purchase-based coupons. Go watch that if you haven't already. It's back in February. I made that video, very informative. So I was still able to do the 10 out of 50. That's what I'm trying to say. So 50 minus 10 is $40. $40. All right. And then I had the 2 in-app coupons, right, for those. So what does that make it? The $36. Oh my God, $36. And then I got back. Oh, well, you have to count tax at your own risk, at your own pace. But anyway. 20 and 20, that's so what am I at? 36 minus 20 is a 16. 16 minus 10, because 5 and 5, $5 back when you buy 2, $5 back when you buy 2. These are separate promotions. That makes it $6, right? I'm at $6, and I got back $2 for this. Right? Oh my God. Yeah. 36 minus this 20 is 16. 16 minus 10 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Oh my God. I'm close. And then I got $5 back for this. That's what I'm trying to remember. So that's -1, and I got back $3 back for this. So it's a negative. So it's a $4 money maker. And yeah. So yeah, and then my taxes, whatever it was, but it's still a moneymaker anyway. Even that coupon fiasco also just worked out just fine. So yeah, I just want to make this quick video in the car. You guys will see, like, if you want a better like haul, just let me know. I'm gonna make like all 5 of my cars, and I'll explain each thing again if you want me to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this helps you. This is such a hot deal. I don't want you guys to pass up on this. So I'm making this video in the car and sending it out to you guys. 2 separate deals and 2 separate cards, okay? Just remember that. All right, bye everyone. Have a great day.